right. Oh, this photo is folded over. Who's that with Nanny? Ah, so we're back in Nanny's childhood village.
Well spotted, Angus. The pottery is just the place we're looking for.
Wow, Saul, we've gone so far back in time, I bet Nanny is just a girl. What's wrong, Angus? Don't worry. We haven't gone back to the time of the dinosaurs.
Hey, I'm not that old. And, who is this, Nanni, anyway?
Oh, right. I keep forgetting. Nanny hasn't become a nanny yet. You look so young, Miss Pravina.
Well, that's because I am.
So, are you a potter?
Oh, no. I'm the one who fixes the potter's wheel if it breaks down.
Look, Saul, it's the heart chakra pot.
I wonder who owns it.
The boy who works here made it for me. I think it's the prettiest one in the whole shop.
It's just like the one somebody left on Nanny's doorstep. It must be from the same person. Can we meet this boy, Miss Pravina?
I don't think so, as his potter's wheel is well and truly broken.
Oh no, Kiva. We'll never find out who it is.
Aw, we've come such a long way. It's a pity we can't help Nanny fix the wheel so that the boy would come back.
But what if we make him a new potter's wheel?
Great idea, Saul. Great mod, Saul.
Wow! A brand new potter's wheel! How clever!
Very clever.
Oh,
Thank you so much. Now I can get back to work.
Ah, I recognize that voice.
Who is it, Kiva? Oh! Angus!
Nanny,
yes?
we travelled back on our memory machine and we now know who left you the gift of the pot. It was my Papi.
That's right, you do. How clever.
Huh?
Oh, I'm not expecting anyone.
I still don't understand why Nanny doesn't like the pot that your granddad left at the door.
Well, my dad told me that Nanny and Papi didn't get on, so they decided to live apart. That was a long time ago. Maybe that's why. Come on.
Oh, I left my wallet in the taxi. I had to chase after it.
Papi!
Kiva! It's been so long. Look at you. You're getting so tall. And who's this fine young fellow?
This is Saul, my best friend.
Pleasure to meet you. Hey, did your nanny like her pot?
Yes, it's very nice. Thank you.
Just like the first gift I ever gave you, huh?
Oh, I remember all right.
Well then, how about a cup of tea for old Sanjay, who was just passing by?
Passing by indeed. It's 7,000 kilometers from Delhi.
And 7,000 kilometers since I've had a decent cup of tea.
Come on then.